As a cloud engineer, we constantly need to build and test proof of concepts. If you're like me, I'm mobile, I don't readily have access to a hypervisor or a public cloud subscription that I could just test in. Today, I'm showing you my quick and easy infrastructure as code workflow, running entirely from an immutable Linux OS. Stay tuned. Quick disclaimer, this is my specific workflow for my OS and my circumstances. If you have a Windows PC, you might want to consider using Hyper-V or WSL. If you have a different spare workstation, you might want to consider loading VMware Workstation, Proxmox. You choose your flavor. The whole purpose here is to use what you have and figure out a way that you can architect the best lab environment for you. The overarching goal here is to use infrastructure as code to spin up and tear down your resources as needed. That way you can keep things clean and simulate a real-life production environment. So let's get into it. On an Atomic OS like Fedora Silverblue, or in this case Atomic Cosmic, the host is immutable. This means that the root file system is read-only and segregated out from your app layering. So if we pull this up, you can see that I've got my version of the OS, and I've got all my different applications that are layered on top. I've put all my source scripts into GitHub today for you guys to download from. These will need to be customized for your needs. The first script is going to handle the heavy lifting. It links our virtualization sockets using SE Linux context and generates your Vagrant file on the fly. After that, we'll initialize the actual VMs using that Vagrant file, and then we'll test out using the Vagrant SSH to actually get into the virtual machine that we create. Lastly, we'll tear down all the VMs that we create using the cleanup script. In today's lab, we're going to be deploying a Rocky Linux VM. Rocky Linux is perfect because in cloud and enterprise space, Red Hat Enterprise Linux systems are the standard, and Rocky Linux is essentially a clone of that. We're first going to start out by running our first script, o1 setup lab.sh. Go ahead and run that. And now if you look in here, you can see the lab directory was created, our mobile stack was created, and you can see a Vagrant file. And this is exactly what was in our setup script. So you can see here, Rocky server with Rocky Linux 9. Now if I change directories to that location, I'm going to run a Vagrant up, and it's going to run through all those different commands for me. All right, from there, SSH Rocky. And then here we see we are on our VM, we're on Rocky Linux, and we are running through our virtual machine manager. I can type an exit. After you're done doing whatever it is that you were testing with your virtual machine, you can use that second script to shut down the VM and clean up all the resources. And that's the power of the modern mobile engineering stack. We didn't just create a VM. We made an immutable, repeatable workflow that you can take with you anywhere. If you need to copy these scripts, there is a link to my GitHub in the description below. And if you're trying to get into cloud engineering, trying to improve your Linux skills, any and all the above, like and subscribe. Lastly, if you want to jumpstart your career, I've got a Cloud Starter Kit that will help you with your resume, your interview defense, and building up your lab experience. Link in the description as well. Till next time, guys.